In this section, I'm going to show you the fifth magic formula, which is COUNTIF. By definition, the COUNTIF function counts the number of cells in a range that meets a single or multiple criteria. It can return a numeric value. So let's see how it works in practice. We would like to calculate the total number of movies rated 7 in July. You can see that ratings in cell D and the premieres in cell G. We need to apply criteria against these ranges, therefore we will use COUNTIF to calculate the total number of movies rated 7 in July. I will show you step by step how the formula works, so you can learn how to use this as well. Equal COUNTIF tab. You can see there are at least two arguments here. Criteria range 1, the range of cells that you want to apply the criteria against, which is gonna be column D. Criteria 1 determines which cells to count. Criteria is applied against criteria range 1, which is gonna be 7 at this point. Criteria range 2 and criteria 2 is optional, and there can be up to 127 ranges. So criteria range 2 will be column G, and the criteria 2 will be July. Criteria range 1 is the range of cells that we want to apply criteria against, in this case column D, comma. Criteria 1 determines which cells to count. The criteria is movies with ratings of 7, comma. Criteria range 2, we want the range of premieres, comma. Criteria 2 is to find the premieres in July. Enter. As you can see, there are 3 movies rated 7 in July. Alternatively, you can click here to insert function. Choose COUNTIF. If you can't see it in the list, you can search for it. Press OK. Criteria range 1 is D, tab. Criteria 1 is 7, tab. Criteria range 2 is G, tab. Criteria 2 is July, tab. Press OK and we will get 3 again. So there are 3 movies rated 7 in July. That's what has to be done when you want to count the number of cells in a range that meets a single or multiple criteria.